I have a lot of stuff. Today we can fix a fridge like Samsung or Samsung, my tag. Sometimes something wrong happens with the refrigerator and we try to solve the problem. When we see a water leak below on the floor or ice building up inside the refrigerator or freezer, and sometimes ice can block the refrigerator door and you can try to open the door and you can break the refrigerator handle or damage a sliding mechanism mount. Sometimes this happens when the refrigerator is 3 or 5 years old. I have solved this problem by disassembling everything safely. I do everything possible so that does not happen again. After my works, everything works properly. You can choose, this is a mechanism for the door.